What if you could move forward on your toughest engineering challenges without stretching your team or budget? For many organizations, great ideas sit on the back burner, not because they lack value, but because there's just not enough bandwidth.
You're balancing priorities, managing deadlines, and pushing for innovation. But taking on something new often slows everything else down. So, how do you keep moving forward without overextending your team? There's a way to accelerate your ideas while working with engineering students who are trained to build, test, and deliver.
Welcome to the Design Clinic at Rose-Hulman. Here, senior engineering students partner with organizations like yours to solve real-world problems through hands-on design and prototyping.
You bring a real engineering challenge, and a dedicated student team takes it from concept to solution over the academic year. This isn't theoretical work. It's the capstone experience where ideas turn into something tangible. At Rose-Hulman, students don't just design, they build. They're comfortable stepping into the machine shop, working with tools, and iterating quickly. That hands-on mindset is built into the curriculum, and it shows in the results.
Your team won't stop at concepts or models. They'll develop a prototype, something you can see, test, and evaluate. Students are supported by state-of-the-art prototyping facilities and dedicated technical staff. They also have access to professional-grade equipment for data collection and testing, so decisions are backed by real performance insights.
Each project is a close collaboration. Your organization provides guidance and feedback throughout, while faculty advisors mentor the team and ensure strong engineering practices. Along the way, you'll see structured progress through design reviews and technical updates. By the end, you receive a complete package, a functional prototype, detailed technical documentation, and test results.
And most importantly, your company retains full ownership of the intellectual property. You get solutions you can build on. At the same time, students gain something invaluable: the experience of solving real problems, working with clients, and delivering results that matter.
It's not just a project, it's a partnership, one that combines fresh thinking, hands-on engineering, and real-world impact. If you have a challenge worth solving, bring it to the Design Clinic at Rose-Hulman. Let's turn your ideas into working solutions. We look forward to working with you.